Hi everyone, I'm Ali Idarola, and this is mine and Courtney Stearns' 5E inquiry activity. This lesson will be focused for fourth graders on learning the transfer of energy. So essentially what what you're gonna need for it is 6 different colored construction paper. We have black, yellow, red, blue, green, and white. And we are going to heat these underneath a heat lamp and then place one ice cube on each and see which ice cube melts fastest according to the color. This will help give students engagement and a visual of how heat actually gets transferred from one object to another. So I'm going to go ahead and start heating the construction paper, and once I am done, I will put the ice cubes on it. Okay, so while the construction paper is heating up, the way we hope to get students engaged in this is before they place the ice cubes onto the paper, we want them to make a prediction. So they're going to make a prediction, ask questions about which ice cube they think will melt the fastest according to the construction paper. While the students are engaging in the activity, we want them to write down all their observations on a worksheet, and finally, once it's done and all the ice cubes are melted, we want them to come up with a conclusion and which paper melted the ice cubes the fastest. Okay, so before we begin, I am going to make my prediction, and Courtney has made hers as well, and we both agree that the black paper is going to melt the ice cubes the fastest, and the white paper is going to melt the ice cubes the slowest. Okay, so I'm not sure that my heating lamp was the best heating lamp, but I heated the papers up as much as I could, and if you can see, I have one ice cube on each. So we have the black construction paper here, the red, the yellow, the blue, the green, and the white. And right now the ice cubes are just going to sit, and I'm going to wait and record my observations as they melt. So right now I literally just placed them, and I haven't seen much change, although it does look like the black construction paper with the ice cube on it, that ice cube is definitely smaller than the rest, and I just placed them on there. So we're gonna wait and see, and I will check back with you guys in about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been a little over 5 minutes, and from what I see so far is the black ice cube is definitely the smallest. The red ice cube is melting pretty fast. The yellow is definitely melting the slowest. It's the largest ice cube. The blue is melting pretty fast. It's pretty small. Probably the next smallest ice cube compared to the black. The green is melting fairly quickly, and the white is also melting pretty fast as well. It's definitely, the ice cube on the white is definitely bigger than the one on the blue and the red. But I'm definitely surprised that the yellow ice cube is larger than the white. I thought that the white construction paper was going to take the longest to melt an ice cube, but it seems like the yellow is taking fairly long. So I'll check back in with you guys in like another 5 minutes, and I'll let you know where the ice cubes are at. Okay, so another 5 minutes has gone by, a total of 10 minutes with the ice cubes on the construction paper, and the black ice cube is almost completely gone. The red ice cube is almost completely gone. It's very thin and long, and the yellow ice cube is pretty large, honestly. It's probably the biggest ice cube. And then the blue ice cube is very small as well. And the green ice cube is almost gone. I feel like you can't really see it. It's very thin and clear, but it's also long. And then we have the white one right here. This is kind of like the same as the green. It's very clear, but it's thin and long. So the black construction paper definitely melted the ice cube the fastest, I would say. And then I would say it's like a tie between the red and the blue right now, just because they're just different shapes, so it looks a little different. But the red also kind of looks like it's melting a lot faster. So I will check in with you guys in another 5 minutes. Hopefully they're all melted by then, and we can come up with a conclusion. Okay, so it's been like 2 minutes since I made my last observation, but almost all the ice cubes are completely melted. The black is completely gone, the red is completely gone, and the blue is completely gone. I don't know, you probably can't see it, but you can feel it that there's like a thin layer of ice still on the green one and also on the white one. The yellow is still actually pretty big and it's still there. So I would say that with my prediction, I was 50-50. So I was right when I said that the black construction paper will melt the ice cube the fastest. But I also said that the white was going to melt the ice cube the slowest. And in this case, the yellow construction paper actually melted it the slowest. It could be a little skewed because my heat lamp wasn't the best heat lamp, but it was definitely right. All the darker colors melted the quickest compared to the lighter colors. So heat energy is absorbed more in darker colors compared to lighter colors. So that is why the ice cubes melted a lot quicker on the dark colors compared to the light colors. So it's been about 5 minutes since I made my conclusion. The yellow ice cube is still melting. It's tiny, but it is still there. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys thought that this was a fun, engaging, hands-on activity that you can teach with your future students in order for them to learn transfer of energy. Me and Courtney plan to have our students work in groups to complete this assignment, and we think that they would really enjoy it and think it is a fun, interactive way for them to learn. So thank you guys so much.